Hello, my name is Horacio Jaques Enriquez, and my lesson plan is about Gagne's condition of learning theory. Okay, Gagne's theory is about 9 levels. The first level is gaining attention. This means that the teacher must make the learners to pay attention by giving an stimulus. Okay, the second one is informing learners of the objective. That is, the learners must get told about what the lesson plan is about. Okay, the next one is stimulating recall of prior learning. This is that the learners must remember. This is that the teacher giving questions or something related to make the learners to remember. Okay, the next one is presenting the stimulus. This is by giving the material or the tools that the learners will be using in that lesson plan. Okay, the next one is providing learning guidance. That is help the learners to develop the lesson plan the best that they could. This is just by giving feedback while they're working and something like that. Okay. Okay, the next one is eliciting performance. This means that the learners have to by themselves solve the lesson plan, related to lesson plan. I mean, another problem of this lesson plan. Okay, the number 7 is providing feedback. The teacher must give feedback, retroalimentation, reinforcement, and other things to help the learners to understand better this lesson. The number 8, assessing performance. This means by giving their qualifications in a way, that is giving the learners how they developed the lesson plan. And the last one is enhancing retention and transfer. This is that the teacher must give another activity or problem to the students to solve, usually as homework or something related. Okay, let's start. As you can see, my lesson plan is about following a recipe. Let's start. And the recipe is about how to make pancakes. Okay, the gaining attention will be something easy, that is bringing pancakes to the class to make the learners to pay attention to me. Okay, the next one is telling the objective, that is make the learners teach them how to make pancakes. Okay, this is the previous knowledge, and in this previous knowledge I will give 3 questions. That is, have you ever eaten pancakes? The second one is, have you saw your parents do them? And number 3, do you know how they do them? This is to try the learners to remember what is the procedure to make pancakes in a way, if they know how to do it. Well, someone. Okay, the present stimulus is something easy, giving them the recipes and make them read them and try to understand them. Okay, the guidance. In here I will make the students to be in teams to help each other, to make them help each other, and obviously the teacher will help the students with throughout the whole exercise. Okay, the performance. This is the eliciting performance. In this part, when they finish their pancakes, the teacher must give them another recipe with something change, another kind of pancakes usually. That is another recipe with a different flavor or something related. Okay, feedback, that is just correcting mistakes, and reinforcement, that is teacher telling, okay, correcting mistakes if they had, or tell them what they could have made better. Okay, evaluation, that is just giving grades. That's okay, you do it great, and with the previous feedback you can do it better and help, you know. Okay, that's the number 8. And finally, the enhancing retention is homework. The homework is about making pancakes at home, with the recipes they followed in the class, in the lesson, or by another recipe that the teacher provides. And we can see the Bloom's taxonomy, the 6 categories of Bloom's taxonomy in these specific parts. Okay, knowledge, that is recall data or information. We have that is tell the objective, and recall previous knowledge, that is the teacher giving the information of the lesson plan. Okay, comprehension. We have that in present stimulus and guidance. That is the students have to understand what they have to do, and in this case, and in guidance part is the teacher explain what they have to do in that lesson plan. Okay, application. We have it since guidance and performance. This is that the students must do must applicate the new knowledge, and in performance it's very well represented because they have to do another recipe by themselves, obviously with help of the teacher, but mostly by the students. Okay, analysis. We have it in feedback, and this is the part of the where the teacher helps the students to understand better the analysis. We can see the synthesis in the homework part. That is, the students must learn a pattern in a way, and in this case of the pancakes, we can see that the students learn to follow a recipe. And finally, the evaluation. The evaluation is the evaluation part, that is telling the teacher what they have, telling the students what they did good and what they do wrong. And that's it. That's my lesson plan. I hope you liked it. The reason that I chose Gagne's condition of learning theory is because the organization makes easier to the teacher to teach the lesson, because the 9 steps or the procedure is like easier to follow in comparison of the other ones, because one is the consequence of the other, because in this case is you can't give the information of the lesson plan to the students if you don't have the attention, and in everything is we can see that. For example, is the providing feedback. You can't provide feedback if the students doesn't do the process by themselves, and I found that interesting, and I like that because of this way of teaching. And I like Gagne's theory because it synchronizes with Bloom's taxonomy in a good way, because both of them have steps or instructions to follow, and that makes easier because they share these steps, and that makes them easy to make them collide. Well, thanks. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and that's it. Thank you for watching.